I would say this video has taken me anywhere between 10 and 18 hours to edit.
That's how I found a lot of people on YouTube. But if you wanted to know, I do actually post every Friday at 7 a.m. So my recommendation for a profile picture is to make it look kind of professional, but you should write out the steps to whatever your goal is. And your goal does not have to be 1,000 subscribers. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to start your YouTube channel in 2020, as well as how to get the courage to start your YouTube channel. So if you're interested in watching this video, you can continue on watching. But also make sure you give this video a like because that helps the YouTube algorithm recommend my video to more people. Also subscribe down below to tell YouTube that you like this content and that they should give it out to more people. If you guys are interested in watching this, keep on watching. So my first tip for starting your YouTube channel is put yourself out there. Tell people that you're wanting to start your YouTube channel and tell your Instagram. So create an account, but maybe not necessarily have a name for your channel yet or like a profile or anything, but just put yourself out there so that people will subscribe and that people know that your channel is out there. Make sure you do this. This will get rid of the initial embarrassment of you being on your YouTube channel, like having a YouTube channel, so that people are less inclined to make fun of you for having a YouTube channel. Putting your YouTube channel out there also helps promote your original YouTube video that you put out there so that people will actually watch it and probably find it. My next tip for you is try to find a name that fits your style. So try to incorporate something in like the category of channel that you're trying to go for. If you're trying to start a lifestyle YouTube channel, try to go for your full name or your name. Like Alicia Marie uses her name and her middle name. Like I use my name and my middle name. Ashley Nicole, she uses her first name and her middle name. But if you're into another sector of YouTube, like the DIY, you should go for your name and then like DIY so that you can get into more search results so that more people will watch your channel. For example, people like Laura DIY use her name, Lauren, a part of her name, and incorporate DIY at the end. And then Generation DIY, she uses Jen, her name, and then Generation DIY. So she incorporates what she's going after. If you're going for a tech tips channel, people like iJustine use I and Justine for like iPhones or whatever you're going after. So those are just some good examples of what you can do to get yourself into a different category on YouTube. Those are just some ways that you can find a name that will suit your channel, and it will also help you get into more search results. So once you've found a name that fits the style of channel that you like, you want to find a good profile picture. So my recommendation for a profile picture is to make it look kind of professional. It should show your full face so that people can know who you are, and if it looks professional, people, and if you're commenting on videos, are more likely to click on your channel and then subscribe. That's how I found a lot of people on YouTube, just by reading through comments, so that helps a lot. Also, make sure there's good lighting in your profile picture so people know that you're trying to be professional. They're more likely to realize that it's an actual channel. Then for your channel banner, an example is my channel banner. I didn't necessarily put photos in it, which some people like to put photos in it, like Alicia Marie or Ashley Nicole, and a bunch of YouTubers like to put photos themselves in it. But personally, I didn't want to do that, so I just put my name of my channel and then a description of how often I post, which I didn't actually like really do a description. I just did something I thought was funny. But if you wanted to know, I do actually post every Friday at 7 a.m. So for my channel banner, I just did it pretty simple and basic. I have my burgundy background, my channel name, and some cute little stars and a little newspaper, I think, in my channel banner. I'm not sure. But you want your channel banner to look professional so people are more likely to watch your videos and know that you're professional and you probably have a good opinion. So normally before all of these steps, you want to find your niche. Finding your niche will help you direct your videos towards a certain type of viewer. Some examples of niches are the lifestyle niches, which are like Alicia Marie, Ashley Nicole, Aspen Ovard, Madeline Morin, Taylor King. She's also a lifestyle YouTuber. So these are more like vlogs, just showing your life, like health tips. Like Remy does a lot of health. She focuses her videos on health and her lifestyle, and that's a lifestyle YouTuber. If you're going for the category of DIY, some examples of that are Laura DIY and Generation DIY and Wenji from a few years ago. I'm not sure what she's doing now, but she used to be a DIY channel. So those are good ones that you can go check out if you're wanting to be in the DIY section, so you can like see what they do. There's also the tech reviews, which are like Marcus Brownlee, iJustine, Tech Smart, a bunch of those channels who are in the tech community, so you might want to go check those out. And then if you like want to review cars even, I don't know those channels, but you can make a channel after that if you wanted to find that's like a niche of YouTube. The next thing I want you you guys to find is your style of editing. Finding your style of editing is very important to your channel because it shows off your personality and it shows off how skilled you are. You want to be able to edit your videos well so that people are more interested and it keeps people viewing, because watch time of a video is very important. Normally you want to aim for over 60% of the video watched on average, which is quite a lot, but on average I would say for watch time would be around 40% is an average watch time for a video. But you want to aim up because the higher your average watch time is, the more likely YouTube is going to recommend the video to more people, because they'll realize, oh, this is a great video, and they'll think the content is very good. So if you want to find a good style of editing, make sure you go watch YouTubers that you like, and you'll be able to find a style that you like to watch, and then you can take from that to make your own style of editing. And it might be very similar to that, which is a good thing, because then you have like a foundation and a platform to start your editing on. Okay, so now we're on how to get started part. So you don't need much. You can actually just use your phone. Like iPhones, I know, have a pretty good camera and they have iMovie on them automatically, so you can edit on those. But personally, what I use is a Sony a5000 camera, and I'm looking into upgrading to the Canon M50, and then I use a MacBook Pro 2019 with the touch bar to edit my videos. I use iMovie still, which you can do a lot with iMovie as long as you have a couple other programs that you can use to make pretty good videos. Also, if you want to get lighting, personally, I do use a ring light, and I got this ring light for $30, which actually isn't that much money, but you can also color correct your videos and add a little more exposure to the videos to make the lighting better. But I would recommend getting a ring light if you can get one for $30. I will link the one I have down below. I think it's the Ubi size 10-inch ring light, because I know a lot of people have the 18-inch, but I think the 10-inch is perfectly fine for video, like a beginner at least. The next thing you're going to want to do is get an uploading schedule, and the reason why you're going to want an uploading schedule is so that your viewers are able to find you every single time you upload. This is really important so that they actually know when they'll be able to expect content. So personally, my uploading schedule is every Friday at 7 a.m. You can go watch my other videos if you want a little self-promo. But I would definitely not recommend uploading more than twice a week starting. I wouldn't even go over one time a week, but twice a week is definitely the max you should go when starting a YouTube channel, because if you go over that, it just starts to be very stressful for you. Like if you're trying to do 5 times a week, you're definitely gonna be stressed out for like the first few weeks and months until you really get a rhythm. So I definitely recommend starting at like 1 and then working your way up if you want to upload more often. But you're also going to want to have an uploading schedule, because the YouTube algorithm likes to see consistency. They like to see you uploading on the same day every week, and especially the same time on the same day every week. So that is why I schedule my uploads for 7 a.m. so that the YouTube algorithm can see that I'm actually uploading at 7 a.m. every single week, which is a really good thing for the YouTube algorithm. What I mean by the YouTube algorithm is it's just the algorithm that helps bring videos to people and show videos that they might be interested in, and the YouTube algorithm will work in your favor if you upload at the same time every single week, because you want your videos going to more people, so you're more likely to get a click on your video. For filming, I also film a full 3 to 5 days before my video goes up. I know a lot of people film a full week and then edit for like 4 or 5 days, but personally I have my editing style pretty much down to like some presets and a bunch of things, so it makes it a lot easier for me to complete a video. I can normally complete a video within 5 to 8 hours of editing, but a lot of people it can take days.
Did I just say 5 to 8 hours? I've been editing this video since Tuesday, and it's Thursday, and I'm still not done. So I would say this video has taken me anywhere between 10 and 18 hours to edit. So, you know, sometimes we get things wrong.
Days to get the content that they exactly want. And yes, I am a perfectionist, but it just makes it a lot easier to have like presets and like green screens that you already have set up to make your video editing process go a lot smoother. And I'll show you guys in a later video if you want how to make presets and green screens and all those nice things to make your video editing much easier. You want to set some goals for your first year of having a YouTube channel. So for me, my goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers in my first year of having a YouTube channel. I also want to be producing content that I'm very proud to put out, because if you don't like the content that you're putting out, most other people probably won't like the content that you're putting out either. So you want to make sure that you are happy with the content that you put out. You should write out the steps that it will take for you to get to your goal. I've written out the steps of how I want to get to my 1,000 subscribers, but you should write out the steps to whatever your goal is. And your goal does not have to be 1,000 subscribers, but don't set it too high. Don't be like, oh, I want to get 100,000 subscribers in 6 months. because that doesn't normally happen. I know that happens some places, like an example is Joanna Cedia. She blew up almost overnight. But for most people, that doesn't happen just right away. So I would recommend setting a simple goal. So like 1,000 subscribers or probably less. I wouldn't go over, definitely over 1,000 subscribers. That's a pretty high goal for like even a normal person. So I wouldn't recommend doing higher than that. But you can set your goal at like 100 subscribers or whatever you want and just try to work towards your goal. And if it doesn't happen within that year, set a new goal for the next year and try to get to your old goal. Also, when you start out making videos, they aren't going to be perfect, but you want to find a style of editing that suits you, and eventually it will grow and your videos will be pretty great. So don't be worried that your videos aren't amazing at the beginning. They'll definitely get better. Make sure you get creative when editing your videos, because that really shows who you are and your personality through the video. Make sure you promote your videos, and if you've reached a goal, like if you have merch or whatever, make sure you promote that all on Instagram, because it will get rid of some of the shock of people finding your videos, and it will take away their right to be able to bully you for having a YouTube channel, because if you're promoting it, then you're showing them without them finding your secret YouTube channel. So I would definitely recommend promoting your videos on your Instagram. Also, don't doubt yourself. Do this for you, and if you're doing it for the money, you're doing it for the wrong reasons. I shouldn't be the one to tell you that, but definitely I would recommend not doing this for the money. Do it for being you and just like expressing yourself. Do it because you're happy and you love making videos, which is the reason why I started. I originally started my YouTube channel in 3rd grade. It was the same channel, but I've deleted all the videos from there. I was literally a stuffed animal YouTube channel. Like, no one's a stuffed animal YouTube channel. But I did get 11 views in the first like 20 minutes, so that was actually pretty cool. But you know, why do I remember that from 3rd grade? But anyways, make sure you're doing this for you, and if you're not seeing the results that you want, do not quit, because they will come eventually, I'm fairly sure. I've been told that by many YouTubers in watching these videos. Also, I'll leave the links to the videos I was inspired for this video down below. This video was inspired by Alicia Marie, Catherine Manning, and Kenna Marie for this video. I'll make sure I link those videos down below, and they mostly inspired us most of these points. I wanted to be able to broadcast this to a wider audience. By wider, I mean like 40 people, but you know, whatever. I just wanted to help some people. If you found this video and you aren't subscribed, well, I think I did my job in broadcasting this to a wider audience, and I'm very happy with that. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, because why wouldn't you? But yeah, I'll leave those links down below. Since you're stuck in your home, just use this time to grow your YouTube channel and focus your time towards your YouTube channel, especially since it's almost summer break for me, and a lot of you guys I know are out of school. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I know I enjoyed making this video. Make sure you give this video a like and comment down below what you've been doing during quarantine. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel, because you know, why wouldn't you want to subscribe? Hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time I post. And the only reason I'm asking you guys to do all these things is because it promotes me in the YouTube algorithm, and that would really help me with my channel and my goals. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next Friday at 7 a.m. Bye!
Yeah, come a little bit closer. Yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye.